Under the actions, let's click Email. And within this pop-out window, connect Inbox. If you want to enable inbox automation to access these features, you can, but I'll just continue here. Then I'll enter my email address and we'll click Next. And then I'll connect to Gmail. When you're ready, click Agree, and that will automatically open a new tab and prompt you to log in. I'll select that account and we'll click Continue. I'll allow HubSpot the appropriate permissions, and we'll click Continue again. Once successful, it will check the connection, and then we'll recommend the HubSpot extensions for Gmail and Outlook. This is helpful if you want some of the CRM functionality within your inbox, but personally, I like to keep them more separate, so I'll say no thanks for now. And then your email is all set up. You can see your email in parentheses here as the sender. Be aware that some of the marketing automation features, like email sequences, are an upgraded feature within HubSpot, but you'll still have access to email templates on the free plan. Let's close this email dialog for now and set up our calendar so that we can meet with Mia instead.